Everyone, welcome to my channel again, Sapna Master IELTS, and this video is for IELTS speaking. Many of the students are in confusion what they are talking and what they are speaking, जिसकी वजह से उनके bands 5 या 6.5 के बीच में ही रह जाते हैं and they are not scoring 7 to 9 bands. 7 क्यों नहीं आते उनके? What is the actual reason? So there are few points which I have written और मैंने ये चेक किया है कि students के 5 के बीच में क्या आंसर्स हैं जिसकी वजह से 5 आते हैं और ऐसा क्या है कि उनकी वजह से 7 आते हैं. जो बेसिक स्टूडेंट्स हैं जिनको हम 5 की कैटेगरी में लेते हैं या फिर 6.5 तक आते हैं, सबसे मेन इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट जो है वो फ्लुएंट है कि नहीं है. इफ दे आर फ्लुएंट और इफ दे आर नॉट अटरिंग, इफ दे आर नॉट डूइंग, इफ दे आर नॉट रेक्टिफाइंग, बस वो मिस्टेक्स पे मिस्टेक्स उनकी हो रही हैं, सो ऑब्वियसली दे लाई इन दिस कैटेगरी. तो आफ्टर दिस वीडियो आपको चेक करना है कि आप इस लेवल के हो या फिर 7 के लेवल के हो एंड यू कैन जज योर सेल्फ. पार्ट 1 के अगर क्वेश्चंस की बात करें तो आर यू गिविंग मेमोराइज्ड आंसर्स. सपोज मैंने क्वेश्चन पूछा व्हाट इज योर फेवरेट कलर. My favorite color is red because it suits my personality and everybody compliments me when I wear it. Now this is such a memorized answer because everybody is using the same technique. He is not using very long answers. Actually अगर उसने cram किया है तो yes very long, otherwise it is going to be very short. He is going off topic. Suppose ये same question, what is your favorite color? My favorite color is red because it suits my personality and everybody compliments me whenever I wear it. I have also worn red color on different occasions and suppose in birthday parties or weddings, and also I like red color because of my interest in it. Red color is the beautiful color and now what we are doing, we are just extending it, but उसका कोई फायदा नहीं है, उसका कोई reason नहीं है, and that is why it is going distracted, it is going off topic. And you are very formal in that. मतलब आप formal sentences ही बोल रहे हैं. You are not using the आपने एक डिक्शनरी बना रखी है कि ये वर्ड्स यूज करने हैं. One of the preponderant facts that I want to talk about, I always reckon. तो आप हमेशा ये चीज बोलते हो जो ऑलरेडी आपने लर्न करी है, क्रैम करी है. सो दैट कैन बी नेगेटिव पार्ट. लेकिन अगर 7 और 9 की बात करें तो पार्ट 9 में it feels like a normal conversation. I am really well. Thank you so much for asking this question. Honestly, if I talk about this, so this is about your gestures, your body language, the way you talk. And you are answering spontaneously. You are answering directly. You are not beating about the bush. You are not moving here and there. You are just answering. And it is so natural that yes, the answer comes within. Okay, now what is the next one? You are developing the answers but you are not going off topic. You are answering, you are replying to them, you are responding to their question, but you are trying to extend, but at the same time आप off topic नहीं जा रहे हो. So ये ध्यान रखें. Moving on to part 2. Part 2 में you can see that we have rigidly followed the bullet points. जो भी question पूछे, which is your favorite movie, when did you go, why did you go, with whom did you go, why did you like that movie. So you will just follow the bullet points. उसके अलावा आप कुछ नहीं बोलते हो. And you run out of the points also because अब मुझे पता ही नहीं why do I like that movie, because वो thematic थी, वो Oscar winning है, या फिर उसका music HD quality का है, upbeat है, करेक्टर जो है वो stereotypical है, या फिर उनका जो performance है that is outstanding. So what are the points? You run out of that because of short of vocabulary. And you always try to use the PPF technique, that is present, past and future, जो कि उसमें यूज नहीं होगी फिर भी आप यूज कर रहे हो. यू आर ट्राइंग टू यूज इट. सो ऑब्वियसली आप उसी बैंड्स में रह जाओगे, दैट इज 5. But when we are talking about part 2 for 7 to 9 bands, we just focus on the main topic, that is about the movie. I try to speak naturally because I have watched a movie with my friend which was last weekend or in the summer vacation because I do not get time to go out because of my busy schedule. And for just rejuvenation or some kind of refreshment, my friend asked me to go out and she joined me और हमने कौन सी मूवी देखी और हमें वहां जाके पता चला कि कौन सी मूवी देखनी है. सो दिस इज नेचुरल and use bullet points, but at the same time be natural. As I said, don't be mechanical, don't cram. कहीं से आंसर्स पढ़ के उसको क्रैम करके मत जाइए, उसको weave out a story and try to connect with your life. Only then you will score 7 bands. Moving on to part 3. I know video थोड़ा सा लेंदी हो गया है, but I wanted to tell you कि प्रॉब्लम क्या आ रही है स्टूडेंट को, क्यों मार्क्स नहीं आते. पार्ट 3 इज वेरी शॉर्ट आंसर्स. आप क्योंकि पार्ट 3 में होता है क्वेश्चंस वेयर दे आर आस्किंग यू अबाउट व्हाई, हाउ एंड व्हाट कैन बी डन, हाउ टू रिजॉल्व, हाउ टू curtail. So these kind of questions are asked. You might not attempt some answers. Suppose मैंने एक वीडियो बनाया था what will happen if you say I don't know. तो उसका क्या आंसर दोगे आप, तो वो वीडियो जरूर देखें इसके लिए. And your range is limited, means your vocab is limited. You do not know, you are giving closed ended answers, short answers दे रहे हो, आप उसको extend नहीं कर पा रहे हो. Similarly, अगर आप यहाँ पे देखें in 7 bands का, you are attempting every question carefully and with lot of extension, means you are substantiating it. Develop कर रहे हो टॉपिक को with the range of different topics as well. So this was the difference between 5 and 7 bands, and I hope कि आपको अब पता चल गया होगा कि आप किस कैटेगरी में lie करते हो. And if you feel that you are in 5 bands to 6.5 bands, so must take care and move, just jump to this side. I hope you have liked the video. जल्दी से एक like कर दीजिए वीडियो के लिए, and also subscribe for more videos like this. Take care everyone. See you in my next video.